Now this is real bright, like crazy, right?
Yeah.
Holy cow, you can see the inside of the bed.
Dang, son.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Dang, son.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing just a few things. My LED light, fog light on my fronts, they went out, so I got these. I think it's called Exxon LED lights from Amazon. So it's 2 in a pack. I think I paid about like $25-30 or something like that. So I'm gonna be putting these on my truck because the ones that I had on there before, I had them for about I think probably at least like 2-3 months, and then I don't know why, apparently they just went out. So, and I did put them on there the right way, but they went out. It ain't really took that long. I forgot what brand it was, but I seen these on Amazon and they had a lot of good reviews. Very bright LED lights. And one thing why I recommend putting some LED lights on your truck is because, especially the fog light, if honestly, I'm gonna be real with you guys, like, cause I have windshield tints on my truck, and this is about, I think these are 15%. They're not really that dark, but nighttime, even with just my regular headlights on, it's kind of hard for you to really be able to see. So that's why I would recommend that. Especially, I don't wear glasses. You know, I have 50-50 vision and stuff like that. So but I do not wear glasses. If I'm telling you, due to the fact that I got my windshield tints on there, nighttime when I have just my regular headlights on, it's kind of very difficult for me to be able to really see too much and stuff. I got to turn on my high beam, and obviously you can't drive with your high beam. So that's why I'm recommending that if you don't have fog lights on your truck, or if the bulb, whatever, you don't like turn them on, or you do got some windshield, only if you got some windshield tints, I would definitely recommend you get some bright LED bulbs in the nighttime. These definitely help you 100% more better, because you can see everything on the road, and you don't want to take that chance and, you know, not seeing something that you wish you should have seen, and then you know what. So, but I'm about to take the time out, remove the old ones, and then put in these. I'm about to unbox them, show you guys how it look. So give me 1 second. So these are pretty much like the same exact ones that I have on there. I think they just go right on. The only difference is the ones that I got on there, for some reason they came with like 2 set of wires and stuff like that, which I had to, I think, put that on before I can get the bulbs to work. But these, I think these are like the direct plugged in. Just plug them in and they should be able to work. But this is it. Hopefully this is like a smooth transaction, obviously, because the last time I put the last ones on there, it was like a pain in the ass for me, because I had that's another thing to keep in mind. If you got one of these trucks, like sometimes like the plug that you plug into this right here, let me show you guys, that plug that you plug into this, sometimes it has like corrosion and stuff like that on there. So 9 times out of 10, you want to make sure it don't, because if it have corrosion on there, you're gonna have to replace the whole new plug. You can get it from AutoZone. That's the same thing I did last time, and pretty much I was able to, you know, get it worked out. Could have been a whole lot of things I could avoid. I mean, not really, because it wasn't really my fault, but it just saved you the time if you check these like frequently, like you unplug them and stuff, because I think it's because moist and stuff like that, water and stuff gets into there. So that's why when you like the actual plug, get like a little bit of corrosion and stuff on there. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. It is freezing right now. Sucks, but I gotta do this outside. I'm show you guys the old ones, and then pretty much I'm just record the process of me switching them out, and then I'm come back in the car. I really gotta wait till it get a little bit darker to be able to show you guys the before and after. So, but definitely make sure you get yourself some LED fog light bulbs. So I'm about to put these on now.
Few moments later.
Yo, it's a nice day today, so I'm about to take advantage of it and change out the bulbs, my fog light bulbs that went bad on both sides. About to change it out and fresh off work, so it's gonna be hopefully a very easy, simple process. Just gotta take these bolts off, and the bulbs is right behind there. So let's do it. both sides. Can't really tell, but obviously because it's daytime, but I'm gonna be able to show you guys a little bit in like the next video when it get dark. So, but I'm able to replace both bulbs now. My fog lights is back. So the next thing I'm about to upgrade is my cargo lights. I also got these from on Amazon. It's the LED bulbs. I'm about to replace out of these. I did my fog lights already, so now it's the cargo lights I'm actually replacing. So I got the cargo light on, and then hopefully this should be able to work. It's I think my brake light. So got it on, it's on. You can't just, sucks because daytime you can't see it, but nighttime definitely gonna be able to tell, make a difference. So, but I should be able to show you guys how it look. Probably in my next video when it get a little bit darker, I should be able to show you guys pretty much how it look, and my fog lights too. Yo, so I just got done. So let me give you guys an update. It is 2 different days where I'm recording this video. So I started yesterday to install my fog lights bulb on here, and then the cargo light bulb and the brake light bulb, but it was kind of cold outside, so I actually stopped recording and waited for the next day, which is today. It is a lot nicer outside. It's like 64 right now, so I decided to take advantage of this after work and to be able to, you know, install the bulbs on there. So I got them on there, but I just won't be able to show you guys exactly how bright it is, obviously, because it's bright as day outside right now. But that's gonna be it for this video. Definitely feel free to leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. So I waited till nighttime, and this dish is super bright. Way bright. I'm gonna show y'all from the inside. Let me turn off my flash. I don't know why my flash is on, but this is, I got window tint, so you gotta imagine if you could see how bright it is from just the window tint. And I imagine the outside, they super bright. 10 out of 10, definitely was a good choice. Now this is real bright, like crazy, right?
Yeah.
Holy cow, you can see the inside of the bed.
Dang, son.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Dang, son. Oh, I slipped.